Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis.
Rosemary, Rosmarinus officinalis, is a fragrant, evergreen herb that is native to the Mediterranean region. It belongs to the mint family and is often used in cooking, herbal medicine, and aromatherapy. Rosemary has needle-like leaves that are used fresh or dried to flavor a variety of foods, including meats, seafood, soups, and sauces. It is also a popular herb for making herbs de Provence, a blend of herbs commonly used in French cooking. In herbal medicine, rosemary has a long history of use as a natural remedy for various ailments. It is believed to improve digestion, boost memory and concentration, alleviate headaches, and relieve joint pain. When used in aromatherapy, rosemary essential oil is believed to have a stimulating and uplifting effect on the mind and body. It is often used to help improve focus, reduce stress and anxiety, and promote relaxation. Overall, rosemary is a versatile herb that adds flavor and aromatherapeutic benefits to many different aspects of life.
Rosemary can be used in various ways. Culinary uses. Rosemary is a popular herb in cooking and can be used to add flavor to a variety of dishes. It pairs well with roasted meats, vegetables, soups, and stews. You can use fresh or dried rosemary leaves to season your food. Simply chop the leaves finely and add them to your recipes. Rosemary roasted potatoes. Ingredients: 1.5 pounds, 680 grams, baby potatoes, halved 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary leaves, chopped salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, toss the halved baby potatoes with olive oil, fresh rosemary, salt, and pepper until well coated. Spread the potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy. Serve hot as a side dish. Rosemary lemon chicken. Ingredients: 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary leaves, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. In a small bowl, mix together olive oil, fresh rosemary, minced garlic, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Place the chicken breasts in a baking dish and pour the rosemary lemon mixture over them, making sure they are well coated. Bake in the preheated oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken is cooked through and no longer pink in the center. Serve hot with your choice of sides. Rosemary garlic roasted vegetables. Ingredients: assorted vegetables, such as carrots, bell peppers, zucchini, and red onions, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 tablespoons fresh rosemary leaves, chopped 3 cloves garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, toss the vegetables with olive oil, fresh rosemary, minced garlic, salt, and pepper until well coated. Spread the vegetables in a single layer on a baking sheet. Roast in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender and slightly caramelized. Serve hot as a side dish. Rosemary infused olive oil. Ingredients: 1 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 to 3 sprigs fresh rosemary. Instructions: in a small saucepan, heat the olive oil over low heat until warm. Add the fresh rosemary sprigs to the warm oil. Let the rosemary infuse in the oil for about 30 minutes. Remove the saucepan from heat and let the oil cool completely. Strain the oil to remove the rosemary sprigs. Transfer the infused olive oil to a clean bottle or jar. Use the rosemary infused olive oil for cooking, salad dressings, or as a flavorful dip for bread. Rosemary lemonade. Ingredients: 4 cups water, 1 cup freshly squeezed lemon juice, ½ cup granulated sugar, 2 to 3 sprigs fresh rosemary, ice cubes. Instructions: in a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, sugar, and fresh rosemary sprigs. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring until the sugar has dissolved. Remove the saucepan from heat and let the rosemary syrup cool completely. In a pitcher, combine the remaining 3 cups of water, lemon juice, and the cooled rosemary syrup. Stir well to combine. Serve the rosemary lemonade over ice cubes. Garnish with fresh rosemary sprigs, lemon slices, or mint leaves if desired. Aromatherapy. Rosemary essential oil is commonly used in aromatherapy for its invigorating and uplifting properties. You can use rosemary oil in a diffuser to create a refreshing and energizing atmosphere in your home or office. Alternatively, you can add a few drops of rosemary oil to a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, and use it for massage or in a bath. Hair care. Rosemary oil is believed to have benefits for hair growth and scalp health. You can use rosemary oil as a hair rinse by diluting a few drops in water and applying it to your scalp after shampooing. It can help stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. However, it's important to note that individual results may vary, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new hair care regimen. Topical application. Rosemary oil can also be used topically for its potential anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It may help relieve muscle pain and soreness when applied to the affected area. However, it is important to dilute rosemary oil with a carrier oil before applying it to the skin to avoid irritation or allergic reactions. Herbal tea. Rosemary leaves can be used to make a fragrant herbal tea. Simply steep a few fresh or dried rosemary leaves in hot water for a few minutes, then strain and enjoy. Rosemary tea is known for its antioxidant properties and may have various health benefits. Remember to always use rosemary and rosemary oil in moderation and follow the recommended guidelines.
Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel.